Alright, I'm here just outside 4498 Ocean View Drive here in Destin. This has got a really long driveway. So, what's nice about that is tons of parking. That garage has been converted into a beautiful little kids play area and bunk beds area, so I'll show you that when I go in there. This is a huge home. When I first walked in, it's got really high ceilings, good crown molding, and it's a super open feel with extra seating areas, both right there and up there. It's got beautiful travertine flooring, TV above the fireplace, nice little seating area right here as well. Here's your view looking back at the living room. Lots of outdoor living. I'm actually going to go out the third door, so there's a set of doors here, a set of doors here, and I'm going to go out the third set of doors. That's over by the kitchen. Large 8-top table right there. Love the decor. Love the floor. I'm a big travertine fan. Got this teak table, the nice stained concrete flooring. This pool, and it's a darker pool, and what they do that for is it heats the water. The heat, or the darkness of the pool heats the water. Lots and lots of outdoor living. Right there, actually you can see even from here, you can see water. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's water shimmering over there between those two houses. When you get to the third floor, the view is really phenomenal. This is cool. It just feels really nice inside. It's got this island right there in between the two columns. Nicely designed kitchen. Tall cabinetry, 42-inch cabinetry, cooktop over here. And then you have a half bath right here. And I don't know if the camera's going to catch this, but that flooring is super cool in here. So this is the garage. So only the windows have been left open. It has a little mini split system right there to keep it cool as well in here, with a pool table and then these big built-in bunk bed areas. That's a queen and probably a queen above, and a queen and a queen. It's got its own sectional sofa and high top table. Even that chair pulls out to a bed. So that's cool that what they've done with the garage space. Then you have laundry room down here with an extra fridge. Wainscoting on the walls. Alright, then in the second, so that's the living area, bottom floor living area. Love the flooring again, love the travertine look. Heading up the stairs. At the top of the stairs I come to this first bedroom. So it's got a couple twins and a king. It's got a tiny balcony off this bedroom up here. Plantation blinds. Got another bedroom here. With another king, a twin, and a trundle. And then again, its own full bath down here as well. And this would probably be considered the real master. It's nice and big. king size bed. Little seating area. Head out here onto the balcony. It's got a really wide balcony. Looks right down there to the pool. And you've got views out there out to the Gulf from this second level balcony. The third level balcony is awesome. It's got the triple tray ceiling, a walk-in closet in the master, and then a separated tub and shower. So there's your glass shower and your separated tub, whirlpool tub. Then I'll take you up to the third floor. Third floor, they've got a couple twins as well in this little bunk area. You've got another king and then a twin as well. Lots of plantation blinds all throughout. Lots of fun features, like it just feels super cool. Then these share this bathroom right here, full bath again with a shower. And then here's your view from the third floor balcony. Again, a nice deep balcony and wide. But you can really get great Gulf views from this balcony as well. Alright, so that is 4498 Ocean View Drive here in Destin, right in Crystal Beach. Crystal Beach is my favorite part of Destin. It's real close to Destin Commons and all the shopping, restaurants, and everything else. So this is 4498 Ocean View Drive.